adventure, baby.
An adventure indeed. One of slackline and feline. Join us in lush Colorado, home of one Cheeseman Park. While Daniel toils with his new piece of bouncing technology, we focus upon a little FLURPLE cat. This is FLURPLES, a 1.5-year-old domesticated house cat. Bravely facing the outside world, FLURPLES clings to the comfort of her hooman and seems to say,
Oh, I don't know what you're doing with that bleeding scratching post, but it looks like you're mucking it up. You look bloody lost, mate. What are you doing?
Daniel has set up his slackline in a vertically ambitious fashion. It's not so much a slackline as it is a tightrope. But some must learn lessons the hard way. So, we watch him struggle with what is called the wiggly leg. It is where your leg is wiggly. And there we are. Now, mere inches from the ground, Daniel is much more at home and able to triumph. Truly breathtaking. But before long, a FLURPLES joins. Curious about the slackline and enjoying the warm sun, FLURPLES kind of wants to do it. With a little help, she's in fine form. You can tell she really loves it. So naturally talented, she can even go in reverse. She is a good kitty indeed. Meow, meow, she says. Purr, purring, purr, she says. Oh, what a kitty. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day to be a kitty on a knee. Oh! And she is FLURPed. Her namesake. That is a FLURP. She is a FLURPLES. Suddenly, FLURPLES is off into the wilderness, and we have barely managed to catch her majestic call. Let's hear that again. Astonishing. For possibly the first time in her kitty life, FLURPLES feels at home. She very quickly realizes that slacklines are stupid. When you're a cat, the entire world is a slackline. Little kitty paws, all agile and nimble. Nimbly bimbly. This is FLURPLES' first time on a tree, and she is loving it. Bound only by the tiny confines of her smooth nylon leash, she calls to the heavens, exclaiming, I am home. I have found it. My purpose. My raison d'être. After a final roar, she makes her way down, but first stopping to enjoy some of the world's natural flavors. FLURPLES looks at us and seems to say,
I rather like it up here. I think I might have a stay for a little bit. Oh, yeah, getting crack on then.
And if only we could, but we cannot. You are our baby little FLURPLE baby kitty cat. You come with us. Reluctantly she comes. But there's a snag. Literally, there's a snag. So, risking life and limb of the tree and cat, Daniel climbs up selflessly to unsnag the snag and unlag the laggy snatch. Huzzah! And Bob's your uncle. Daniel has done it. He has achieved the impossible, freeing the leash and unfreeing the cat. He is happy to have her. She wants only tree. Sweet tree. Let us climb. Let us climb the tree more. Unleash us so we may climb the tree. Back to the slackline. The humans go at it, one by one, helping each other, Daniel and Nicole, bouncing, balancing, stimulating nerve endings, and brainings, and physical fitness jollies in general. Bouncy boingy, bingy boung, boongity boingy. Oh God, how much longer? When are we filming the next Planet Earth? Jeez. God, I wish I didn't need the money. Alright, back to it. So this idiot has now got his cat in his arms or whatever, and he's trying to see if he can slackline and do the cat in the hands with the no scratching of the face. So 3 steps is his goal, because why not, and but for a millennial, at least you're setting goals. 1, 2, 3, he'll take it, and that's a wrap, folks. A majestic cat venture, a feline slackline, good time. This is Mavid Cattenpurrough. Thank you for watching.